Hey guys, we are outside again today and I still have a scratchy voice for some reason. So I wanted to show you a palette that I went back and I got the other day from LA Colors, and it just really impressed me. And of course today it did this look, everything except for the yellow on the inner side of the eye. That's the only color that I did not use out of this palette. So if you want to find out what palette I'm talking about and a couple of other products that I am so impressed with by LA Colors, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. For those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. So guys, how do y'all like my sweater? I don't quite know how to wear it, but I love it. I love it. I love fall. I love it. I'm just getting so ready for it, and I love being outside. That's why I love taking you guys outside with me. So it looks like it might rain again today, so let's get into this. So the other day I filmed a haul and I showed you stuff that I got from Family Dollar. They had Elf and of course LA Colors. Well, I bought a little dollar palette that just impressed the shit out of me. Well, I went back and hidden on another rack by the register where they usually put stuff that they like to hide from me because they see me coming, so they're like, let's hide all the makeup from her, okay, because she's coming to get it all. I found an LA Colors palette, and I guess this is like one of their holiday sets. You know how they put out these palettes and stuff? This is actually a 10. I absolutely think it is gorgeous. Here is the palette. Oh my God. Oh my God. Love. I fell in love. I fell in love. And of course I did this look using every color. Well, not every color in the palette. Come on now. I can't do that. I used the colors in this palette except for the yellow that I splashed right there on the front of my lid. I did use my Bright Lights palette by Pinky Rose. I think it's a Pinky Rose palette, but I did use the yellow out of that just to do that because I wanted it more of a fall autumn look. I wanted yellows, oranges, purples, cranberries, and of course this palette has it all. Now, this is impressed me so much. I had to do a video about it because LA Colors, they are really stepping up their game. I'm really proud of them. I'm really seeing them put out some really good products. Now, I'm not saying every single color in this palette is a winner because there are a couple in here that are duds. There's just no pigment to them at all. But the colors that I really wanted, that really matters, actually look really good, and I really love this palette. And it was only $5, guys. And again, it come in this little keepsake tin thing right here. And the only thing that I don't like about the packaging is, of course, this is just plastic. Oh no, this is just plastic, so it just sort of holds the little pans in it like that. That's the only thing that I don't like about this. Now, if it was in true palette form inside of this, I think it would be absolutely gorgeous. But again, it is LA Colors, and I only paid $5 for it. And matter of fact, because they are in little metal pans, I think I could get some kind of a magnet thing to put inside of this and just take them out of the plastic and stick them right in there like a Z palette. I think that would look absolutely gorgeous in this thing. Now, I know it's a little bit big and bulky, but you know what? Who doesn't have room for a palette? Like, well, actually, I don't, but I do, but I don't, I do. I've always got room for palettes, guys. But I want to show you another palette. Now, the one that impressed me so much was this little palette that I got the other day. Now, this was only $1. This is called the Nude Palette. And of course, they already had some like this last year that I got, and I just didn't really like them. There was no pigment. They just, have you ever heard the phrase hard pan? Well, I felt like that's what they was doing. And what that is when your pan gets hot or sweaty or any kind of dampness or wet in it, and then the pan kind of creates this hard shell on the outer part of the powder, and it just, you can't get nothing else out of it. Well, this has got to be a new formula, and these are the newer little palettes. There are little designs in them, but these are just so extremely pigmented, guys. They are extremely pigmented. I mean, I just couldn't ask for no better out of this little palette for $1. And then when I went back and actually seen the bigger palette, I was just so impressed. I just love it. I love LA Colors, and I love where they're going with their stuff. And I just wanted to show you these couple of things that really have impressed me by them. Now, again, you have heard me talk about the LA Colors strobing illuminating powders. Now, these are their highlighters that they put out not too long ago. And this one is in champagne, and then they had like a pinky undertone, and I think it was called Pinky Flash or Flash of Pink or something like that. This is my favorite one. I think this is perfect for my skin tone. And of course, these are very pigmented also. I will show you swatches and everything. And then they had another one, which the pinky one, I don't know what I've done with that one. And I really wasn't using it a lot, but they are all very pigmented, very beautiful, buttery, blendable. They are very buildable. Not that you would need to build these things up. Now, this one is Gleaming Goddess, and this is more of this dark white one. Now, it does have kind of a blue tint to it, but it doesn't show up blue. It's just a really icy white on the face, and it is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. But I just wanted to do a quick video and show you these couple of things that LA Colors is putting out and just tell you how impressed I am with them. And I'm so glad to see them headed somewhere where some of their stuff is working a lot better than most of my high-end. And it just goes to show that, you know what, beauty on a budget, it can work. It definitely can work. Because if this palette pulled off this look, and no, you don't need the yellow on the inner part of the eye, nothing like that. I mean, I could just have easily used a different shade. I could have used the pink. I could have used that orange right there. There's one right here. It's yellow, but it is not the yellow that I wanted to go with this look. So, guys, I really hope you go to your local Family Dollar store. See if they got e.l.f. in yours also, because, you know what, I don't know when they started selling e.l.f. in mine, but that just impressed me, first of all, by itself. But go back and see if they got these palettes, guys, and give them a try. Like I said, this was only $5, and I think it is definitely worth every penny. And let me know if you have any LA Colors products and what your favorite product is that you have that is by LA Colors, because I'm just quite curious to find out, because I would love to find it and try it myself. I just love it. I think it's so incredible. It's so amazing to see a company that is drugstore or dollar store, and it's actually putting out products that perform better, or mostly better than most of my high-end. So I just love seeing it, and it just excites me so much. And again, I cannot wait for the fall. So of course I'm already bundled up. I'm just ready for it to come. I'm just so ready for it. And I really wanted to do an avant-garde look, but I figured, you know what, let's keep it a little bit wearable. But if you guys want to see me do a tutorial on this look, or if you want to see me do a tutorial on an avant-garde look, Raw Beauty Christy, I seen her video earlier, and she done one like this, and it was, of course, just this beautiful oranges and yellows and purples and browns and just all these fall colors, and it just inspired me to do this more wearable version of what she did. So, guys, if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you next video. Bye, guys. Every penny.